Okay. So today is such a lovely day. The sun is out and there's no wind. We're slowly moving out of winter now. I finished the tracksuit now finally, the tracksuit pants. So I'm happy with it. They turned out lovely. And so the next project that I want to do is, or that I am going to do, is these pencil bags. They're simple bags to make. I'm just sometimes if I have leftover material, I just do them for the. There's an animal shelter not far from here, and they've got a shop there. So what I sometimes do is I just make stuff for them, and then they sell it there. So I'm going to make in the next series. It will just be short, 3 videos or so. I don't know yet. I'll do these pencil bags for them. And I don't have anything on the channel on pencil bags, so I thought let me put this this up there. Then at least I also have some video references, because there's a lot of videos that you can download on YouTube also how to make them, and there's lots of different ways to make them. But yeah, these are just simple ones. They're not lined. They're just single ones. Sometimes I give them away for free to my clients as well. If they print with me, I just give it to them. And then the project after that, I thought what I want to do is maybe I still want to do the tote bags. Because that's also one that I sometimes do, and that I don't have videos on. But then I've got a large project that I'm going to do. I haven't made those shirts for a long time, but I've got a pattern here, so I'm going to make those Guayabera shirts. I haven't done them in a long time, so I'll probably do a long series on that. I will still decide, because that project is a long project, but I want to make a series of videos on that, because I do them intermittently, those Guayabera shirts, and the thing is, they're not easy to make, or at least the first part of them is not easy to make if you don't make them every day. So I still want to do that project. Yeah, so, but today is a beautiful day. I'm glad we're moving into summer now. And I need to, at some point in time, I need to clean these machines. I replace the oil. And I still have this work. I've taken everything off the walls here. I still need to close all the holes and then paint here. So there's a bit of work here. It's quiet here at the studio now. There's not a lot of print work coming in. But I think it will pick up again. So yeah, so we'll make these in the next series. I'm going to do these pencil bags. Okay, so that is sort of my plan. I'm not sure if it will turn out like that. But I will see. Okay.